Greetings from Revealing the Hidden. Hope you all are safe and sound in your places. And thank you for showing your love and concern to us by sharing and liking our videos. And this week we are going to discuss regarding another common topic from our childhood. What we know is that is stalking. And I would like to invite Benson to discuss the same. Welcome, Benson, to this particular episode.
Thank you, ma'am.
And today we are going to discuss regarding the concept of stalking.
Yeah.
According to you, what do you mean by stalking?
Stalking is monitoring or following someone with or without his or her knowledge. That will be the term.
Yes, as you rightly said, the term stalking is actually a crime that knowingly or unknowingly the entire public is doing.
Yeah.
That is, we are monitoring someone or we are noticing or following someone,
Yeah.
and it become a harassment for that person because the way we look at them, the way we are
Yeah.
noticing them.
Yeah.
If you know, it is actually a punishable offense, and the person who is doing stalking can get a punishment of 1 to 3 years in jail. So that much big is the
Yeah.
term stalking. Next we will discuss what are the examples you can quote in when you speak about the term stalking.
There is concept called checking out in youngsters.
Yes.
So we can check out based on dressing, then the behavior of the person. Yeah. In public. And based in size, based on attitude, either we can check out for being an introvert or extrovert. Yeah.
So, as you rightly said, that the term you always youngsters use, that I'm checking out that girl. So, you rightly said what are the various aspects a man can check out a woman. So, more than that, actually, the stalking can be done in workplace as well, whereas the boss want to have a relationship with the colleague and she refuses, so this can also lead to stalking as
Yeah.
well. And along with that, what we can see is you talked about the various way you can stalk. Other than that, some fantasies that a boy can have about
Yeah.
a girl, based on that you can stalk on a person. Suppose you like someone who's wearing black dress, so whenever someone is wearing a black dress,
Yeah.
obviously you have a fantasy of that kind of love to that person,
Yeah,
can be
obviously.
affected. Then stalking, what we can see is the main what the main thing or main damage can be caused by the stalking of an intimate person. That means a person who knows you very much, because that person can take you to a different level because you had really shared your personal information. It can be a husband, or it can be a lover, or an ex relationship. So all these people can come under the term of stalker. These people can stalk you throughout your life. Anything else you want to add on?
If someone, I will give an example. If someone followed a girl regularly from home to school or from work to home, it's also called a stalking. I will give another example. If a gang of people standing or waiting without a purpose in a particular area and having a behavior that makes them feel unsafe.
And insecure.
Yeah, it also can be a kind of stalking. And another example, stalking is based upon the fantasies of each person.
Right.
Yeah, example, I'm remembering an incident in my junior college. I had a fantasies to stalk a girl who wear red and black glass frames. Yeah, that's
Yeah. That's a good example you gave, that from your side. And one more thing I would like to add is, when suppose you stalk me and you want to pass means you want to pass a message to me or communicate to me, but you may not be there to talk to me,
Yeah.
but you can use a third party. So this is also an example of stalking, where this is where public work, especially in youngsters and
Obviously.
throughout the age group, we can see that people practice stalking. Okay.
Yeah.
So now next we will discuss on how the victim, see here in revealing the hidden, we are concerned about the victim of stalking. So what do you think, what all things are happening to the victim of the stalking?
Yeah, ma'am. This victim can have unknown fear and insecurities. Yeah.
Very correctly said that because of stalking, the victims are really affected. As you said, that they are actually unsafe, and more than that, especially I'm not telling it's only women, but the people lose their freedom of expression. That means they're scared to express themselves out because they're scared someone will stalk at them. The way they dress, the way they speak, the way they move around in public. So
Approach.
they lose their confidence for anything what they have. So actually their talents and their caliber, actually they're trying to put it in, or the public is trying to put it in by this concept of stalking. Along with that, we can see there is a helplessness because he or she cannot do anything, because not because of my fault I'm not able to express. Along with that, that person can feel an insecurity or loss of interest, as well as that person can go into depression, and by the end of the day the person can go into a suicidal thought just because of stalking. Because I had seen the victims and I had counseled people those who had gone to a level of suicide because of the shame they had undergone because of the stalking. Now we will think about how we can manage, because we need to concentrate on people, because today I may be a victim but tomorrow you may be a victim of stalking. So we can help the public by telling them how we can manage stalking. What do you think?
Ignore the stalking if it's in a mild way, or if it's increase, be assertive. Yeah.
Yeah, Mansi, you said correctly that we need to be assertive actually.
Yes.
Women need to learn to be assertive, actually speaking, because this makes the psychological damage on the victims. So if it is a milder way, just ignore it. Okay, you are also not gaining anything, I am also not gaining anything. So this way I can manage. No, if you are irritated beyond a limit, be assertive. If you are not able to stop it there, tell your parents or the loved ones, so that you are asking a third party to involve and help you to deal with this particular issues. But as human beings, as women, I would say, since they are in the vulnerable group, we call them as vulnerable, there is special help from the police as well to protect this kind of people. We were discussing that in Kerala, if a man is looking at a woman for more than 14 seconds, they can sue that particular person. So record the incident. That is another thing. We cannot not only by word, there should be an evidence that this person is irritating in a daily manner, or 2-3 episodes has happened. And the next thing what we can think about the help is, women can approach to National Commission for Women, that is NCW, and if you file an online complaint to this NCW, they themselves put a complaint to police, and if the incident or the stalking is very serious, they themselves make an inquiry committee, and the force behind the police to inquire this particular issue is little more serious. So don't think that you are alone for this particular incident. The world is all affected, especially women is affected by the topic of stalking, or the concept of stalking from ancient days. It's not that how much it has come in public. Yes, nowadays we are more expressive. Yes, things are coming out in public and people are seeing everything that was hidden before. That is the only difference, and it is very trendy nowadays is social media stalking or cyber stalking. We
Yeah.
did not talk about that term, that people can follow you in all the social media, and they can understand who all are following you and your photos, everything, what all activities you do. People just notice you, even I and you may not know. And some of them really get some calls, maybe in the midnights, or emails or text messages, and they can harass in and out. So stalking is not a new concept, but it is increasing day by day. And this is more common once the virtual media has come up in this corona time or a pandemic time. So we need to understand that stalking is not a small thing, and there is nothing to worry, because people are behaving this way for a long time. And there are remedies we already discussed, and you can follow up with this. And I would say, as parents, be a little more liberal to the children, so the children can come up and tell that what are their problems, and you can find a solution than they being trapped in someone else's hands, maybe loved ones or acquaintance or colleagues or strangers. So I would like everyone to cooperate with the coming up generation, so that we can stop stalking in this further coming days. Hope this is a good and interesting topic for this particular time. Until we come with the next topic in next week, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you.